I'm Kyle.
I'm Levi.
And we are the co-founders of REUP Hair. First appearances are everything. So when you're going around and your hair doesn't look good, I mean, it's an issue. So of course, we're not the only ones who do this. We know everyone else does this. They carry around that big thing of hair gel and that comb. And you keep it in your car, you keep it in your gym locker. Then you're at home, you don't have it because it's in your gym locker, or you're spending too much money. So we just came up with a really easy, convenient way to style your hair anywhere.
When you're going to the gym, or whether you're traveling, when you're at work, we're short in time, just rolling out of bed and you don't have enough time to do what you need to do.
We've all been there.
Oh yeah.
And it fits right in the palm of your hand. And it has everything you need to style your hair. You have your hidden comb, you have replaceable hair cartridges. It's small, it fits in your pocket, and for those of us that lose stuff, like myself, you can actually put it right on a keychain. So you can always have that with you at all times. And pretty much everybody who uses hair gel can use this product.
Absolutely.
You style your hair perfectly, before you leave. Everybody does. We make sure that our appearance is great. Things happen throughout the day, and you can't control that environment. So this is gonna be a perfect re-up for you. You just re-up your hair product, put it right in, and you're ready to go.
Thank you guys for watching this video and supporting us. It means a lot.
Yeah, absolutely. And dude, we're almost done here.
I don't know, just leave. All right, hold on. Okay. We are looking forward to getting this product out to you so you can style your hair anywhere.
Please support us and back us. Join us on our journey, and we're excited. Thank you.